Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we will go towards operations on sets. Okay, before starting, we previously know that we have four operations, okay, like plus, minus, multiply and division. These operations were for the real number. Okay, these were real number operations. What those were? Real number operations. Of sets we have different operations that include union, okay, intersection, that include intersection, union, difference, okay, union of two sets, intersection of two sets, difference of two sets, and complement of set. Today we will cover these three, and in the upcoming video we will cover complement of a set. So these are four operations of sets that you need to know. Okay, so first of all we will move towards union operation of set. Okay, what is it usually? I will be telling you in simple words and in simple meaning. Like x is equals 5. Wait a minute, I'm coming. Wait a minute, I'm just coming. Okay, let me start again. So x is equals, okay, so we will take the example that x is equals 1 3 and 5. Okay, so x is 1 3 and 5, and y is 1 2 3 and 6. Okay, you can say union. In union we write all the sets together. We write all the sets together, and union sign is like this. Okay, union, this is union. Okay, means if there are we will write this whole set in a one set, that is known as union. For example, we will write it like this: x union y is equals to 1 2 3 5 and 6. Okay, because 1 is in this x1, also in y1, 2 is in y1, 3 is in x and also y, and 5 is in x and 6 is in y. So you can say in union we write all the elements together in a set, okay, which we know as union. Now we will move to the other operation, which is intersection. Okay, intersection sign is like this. This is intersection. What is it? Intersection. Intersection. Okay, for I will be also taking here example. Okay, x is equals 1 wait a minute 1 5 7, and we have y is 5 6 7. Okay, now we have there two sets in intersection. Okay, we will write the common elements that is common in both. Which element is common in both? 1 isn't common, so cut. 6 isn't common, so cut. 5 and 7 is there. 5 and 7. So we will add it like this. Sorry. Y is equals set 5 and 7. This is intersection. We will write the common element that is common in both of the sets. Okay, this is intersection. Now we will move towards difference. Okay, difference is denoted as this minus sign. Okay, And let me give you one more example here. For example, here are two elements, sorry, sets. Okay, so this is like that. Let me give you example. X difference y is equals, we will write here x element minus, I'm giving an example, okay, minus okay. Now listen carefully. Here we will write the sets that are common, okay, that are not common, okay, that are not common from the first set only. Means here 4 is common, so we will cut. 6 is common, so cut. 8 is common, so cut. Now we are left with 9, 10 from first one set and from second set 2. Here we will, in difference, we will only write from the first set, so it will be 9 and 10. Okay, make sure it is x and y. Now we will learn y difference x. So here y will come, y elements, and here x elements will come. So in the end we will left with 2, because here was the y1, okay, here was the y1, and in the y1, after subtracting all the common values, we will be left with 2. So here is 2. This is difference, and in previous video we haven't covered the power set, so I'm telling you that what is power set. Okay, the set of all subsets, okay, the set of all subsets. Okay, what are subsets? I've tell you before. If we make a subset, if we make a set, a complete set that is full of a subset of a set, that is known as power set. For example, I'm taking a value here 1 2 b. We will calculate 2, so there will be 4 subsets of it. So power will be like this: p, b. Okay, p means power and b is the element inside. We will add it a big one set, empty set, 1 2 1. So this is known as a power set. I hope so that it is clear to you. In the upcoming video we will cover also our complement and we will move forward. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you will give a subscribe, do like and comment. Thank you for watching.